Hello, people. I'm just back. Today is it's 12 in the night and it's just turned Feb 14th. So happy Valentine's Day, people. And basically, it's Shivratri. So I've just got back from this place called Jakola Babi. Yes, there's a place like that in Hyderabad. And apparently, they have like 1 lakh homums there. 1 lakh, yeah, something like that. And I went with these office colleagues, and they're like really nice, sweet kids, sweet guys, yeah, who are so feels nice, and they actually wished me happy Valentine's Day, so felt good. And like they say, no, yeah, everything happens for the best. So this, if I were to really think of it, this is one of the most, in fact, the most special Valentine's Day I've had so far. And I can feel it in the air that things will be quite different from now on. So here's looking to an all new life, brand new life. Wish me luck, people. And life is all about change, right? So yeah. So Valentine's Day is special. So thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.